Good morning everybody. Welcome to my channel Vikas Adhikari. Today I want to show you some new things about nature. Once English poet John Keats rightly said, "A thing of beauty is joy forever." As you see the beautiful scenario of a village in India where you can see bamboo plants, date plants and different shrubs, palm shrubs, other stone made things, which is full of good scenario, light and shadow mixture. After it, you can see a grand feast organized among the students and the teacher, where you can find a beautiful taste of nature. In the scenario, you see the bamboo plants which is used in making papers. In India, it is available everywhere. Now the place you see, it is the cooking place made before the feast. The cooking place is slightly cleaned before it, and it is very simple. Used to six bricks, two into three sides, and a deep hole. After that, the cooking place is very normal. You can use only a cob and a spade. You only dig a big hole. After that, the cooking place is completed. Here you can see a iron cauldron and iron stick over it. Now the cooking site is very clean. With these two instruments, you can make a grand feast. Here the peeling of onions by the students who are working, enjoying, and the boy wants to do something, but there is no work. Two hands in his pockets. Here another boy is also no work, showing his face. Here the pan is ready, slightly heating. A boy is pushing some firewoods to make the fire alive. The teacher is playing a role as a cook. Today his duty is to finish a good, tasty chicken curry. The boy is helping with fire. He is in training how to cook chicken. The teacher is guiding them. The teacher himself is the cook. In India, you can find 90% of teachers are cooks. The students are now looking for the feast, and onions are looking nice. The smell comes water from the mouth. A fat boy with lightweight things. The boy is coming with firewood. Now the other pastes are ready. Chicken is ready. The smoke comes out of the fireplace. The fire is now with a smooth condition. All are waiting. All are enjoying. Awesome atmosphere. A girl comes with some pastes, garlic and ginger. All items over a bag. Nicely displayed. Here the powders, chili powders, turmeric powders, chicken powders, all are with salt. The fried potatoes, oily and tasty, over a chair. Students are bringing water with a big bucket from a distant land. Here girls are also supporting them. All are looking with mobiles. I think Free Fire. They are not free with this fire, and they are playing Free Fire. Here girls guiding the boy to add Vaseline as it is winter. The two small girls, oh, they are laughing, taking selfies with working place. Some entertainment with work. The small girl showing her victory with two fingers. and all the boys making arrangements for the feast with mobiles. Oh, nice place. Girls are also enjoying taking photos. One girl is not interested. Oh, nice. Nice faces, smiling faces. Girls are shy in nature, as you know. Here, rice is also ready. The last point, rice is first item to serve. Chicken is ready. Completion of the cooking. Oh, nice color with the hot smells. Here the teacher first trying to serve it with a spoon, and all are enjoying now. The service is ended and all are enjoying the feast. First boys are gossiping with each other. One boy is late. He's a good worker, I think. Also with mobiles. Eating time using mobiles. Now the tradition of India. Here the girls are taking meals. Girls are shy in nature, so they are slow with eating plates full of chickens. Boys are wanting more and more. Completion of plate is empty. The cauldron is empty. All enjoyed the feast. Oh, girls are also completed. Nowadays, Indian girls are advanced. They also sharing with each other. It is the Indian tradition to share food and everything with each other. Taking meal together, taste become twice. Girls are showing happiness, talking with each other. Boys, what are they talking? They are only talking to want more. But the cauldron is empty. They are washing their hands with the water. Feast over, eating over, then they are taking all the utensils to the washing place. I think, yes, washing process starts with a tap water. Now Indian villages are connected with the tap water, so it is very easy to wash. The photo session starts. If this blog attracts you, entertains you, please subscribe my channel and give a like and comment. Thank you.